In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create 300 DPI images using Canva. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can export crisp, print-ready images with confidence. Start by opening your design in Canva. Before exporting, complete your design and make sure it's built in high quality from the start. Use large, sharp images, avoid stretching small graphics, and keep text and shapes clean and vector-based where possible. The better the source elements, the better your final result. Remember, DPI is all about how many pixels you have relative to the physical inches you plan to print, so beginning with enough detail is key. When your design is ready, head to the top right corner and click Share. From the menu that appears, click Download. You'll see options for file types. Choose PNG or JPG. PNG is great for maintaining sharp lines and transparency, while JPG is a solid choice for smaller file sizes and photographs. Either format can be suitable for print as long as you have enough pixels. Next, look for the size slider. Drag that slider all the way to the right to set it to the maximum. This step increases the exported pixel dimensions, which directly affects the effective print resolution. Bigger pixel dimensions mean more detail per inch when you print. The size slider helps you get closer to those targets. Now, click Download and wait for Canva to process, and save your file. Once the image has downloaded, open the image file and look for the small I, or Info button. Click that to view the file details. Here, you'll see the current DPI reported for the image. If it shows 300 DPI, great, your metadata is set appropriately. If it shows a different number, keep in mind that what truly determines print clarity is the total pixel dimensions compared to the size you plan to print. Even if the metadata isn't 300, you can still achieve 300 DPI in practice by printing at a size that matches your pixels. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you export clean, professional images from Canva.